What's up, guys? This is Ryan down at Ron Ayers Motorsports. Just wanted to show you guys a quick 2019 BUSA that we just finished up. This one has got the Brock's complete performance package on it. I'm gonna go over some of the details of that package with you real quick. Then I'm gonna crank the bike up and let you see how incredible it sounds. So what you're gonna get in the Brock's performance package, obviously, is gonna be the 4-in-1 exhaust. That's also gonna come with a power commander that has already been dynoed and tuned. You're also going to get the triple tree. You're going to get the light billet clutch mod for launch control. You're going to get the straps for the front to lower the bike down. You're also going to see that we have extended the bike out, put the blocks on it, changed out the cables for you to extend those for you. You're going to see a fender eliminator done. We've also lowered the bike down to give it an impressive stance. We really like the way the bike turned out. We installed a custom LED license plate holder on the left-hand side due to the fender eliminator. Beautiful bike. Put you a brand new kickstand on it so it's lowered down so you know you're safe when you get off the bike in the evening. All right, guys, now that I've gone over some of the features of the bike, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick crank up so you guys can hear how amazing it sounds. If you have any questions, would like to know about purchasing the bike, give us a call, 252-758-3084, or you can visit us. We're in Greenville at 1929 North Memorial Drive, right down past the airport. We hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys soon.